Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at Peak Design's cube system. Now these are nylon polyester mix 70D denier self-healing bags, and they've got Hypalon tags on here and Hypalon coated zips, and this allows you quick and easy access, as you can see there, to the inside of the bag. The zips are very nice quality, as you can see in the pictures here. They all have tags on. You have an extension pouch, and also let's see, this is the Peak Design logo inside there, and as you can see it's got the small size. On the bottom you've got an area for dirty clothing, and inside there it's got a silicone coated material to stop the smells and things from your dirty clothes going through to the clean ones. Now it's got an expansion area as well, an expansion zip that allows it to swell and expand to compensate for more of your clothing. I'll just demonstrate now the sort of thing that you can put in. There's 5 pairs of socks, and I've got 3 of those. That's 15 pairs of Schlesinger socks. So those fit in there easily. Let's put them this way. There we go. So that will do up now. Simple and easy, and with plenty of room to spare. As you can see, it's not at all full. So I'll undo the expansion, and then we'll see what else we can get into here. You have quite a lot of space. Right, so let's see if we can put a t-shirt in. Right, so we've got a 3XL t-shirt. Put that in on top there. And that again does up easily. Okay, so let's try, see if we can get another one in there. So that will be 15 pairs of socks and 2 XXX shirts, t-shirts. Okay, here we go. Right, it's getting a bit fuller now. So let's do up the zips. There we go. Right, so 2 big t-shirts and 15 pairs of socks, and that's about as much as it will hold. Now what you can do here is, if you're careful with the zip, just keep your finger inside there so it doesn't snag on the netting inside, and we can condense this down so that you can make a bit more room in the bag, in the case. There we go, so it's nice and squished down like a big fat sausage, and it should fit more neatly and smaller into your travel suitcase. Now these are designed so you can have 3, I'll just show you in a second. You can have 3 of these bags with your carry-on luggage. So here we go, so you've got 3, and these cubes are 1 cube, so it's for your carry-on. So you've got 1, 2 and 3, and that's the cube system. So that will fit inside a normal carry-on suitcase. Okay, you don't need to buy a Peak Design's case if you don't want to, because this one will fit in a normal case. Now this is the medium size, and this takes up 2 of the cube sizes, so that will make up 3 again, and that again will go into a normal size travel suitcase, and that will fit into the one side or the other. So usually I put all of my tech gear in one side, cameras and things, and then I put my clothes in these bags in the other side. So this one's medium size, and again it's got the silicone bottom part for your dirty clothes. Right, so this is more for things like trousers and jeans. So again, we're going to put some jeans in here, full size length trousers, and that fits in there quite easily. Okay, as you can see, you've got enough room there for another pair easily without undoing the expansion. So you could probably get 4 pairs of jeans in here when it's fully extended, and then try to zip that down to make it a bit smaller. and that should fit into, again, as I said, the one side or the other of your travel suitcase. But it fits in there quite easily, and I'm quite happy with the fit of these. I'm just going to open this bag and take out the t-shirts again, just to show you a bit more, give you a bit better idea. So there's 2 t-shirts, the trousers, and I could probably fit the socks in there no problem as well. But if I zip this up now, you'll see that there's ample space for another pair, at least another pair of trousers, maybe another 2 pairs of trousers in there. On the end there you've got these handles that you can use for quick access and pulling them out of the travel case. And the 70D or 70 denier material has a very nice feel to it. It's different to the camera bags and things. This is a self-healing material, and it really is a nice feel, nice soft silky feel to it. I hope you have found this interesting, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.